Okay, I'm going to talk with the mic right next to my mouth. Good morning, my chosen solstice. Solstice energies 777 portal 888 portal 999 portal. Summer solstice. You are slaves. You are slaves to numbers, to everything above you. Oh, oh, but it's the universe. No, no, you are ruled by the planets. You are ruled by the weather. You are ruled by numbers. You are ruled by everything that is above you. Oh, but the energies and you're in a place right now that is challenging but not challenging and challenging but not challenging. The matrix. I realize my chosen is really code for slaves in the spiritual community. Chosen ones. No, you're a slave. You're a slave that believes that something above you is great, but yet you're so powerful. You're so powerful. You are under God. You're powerful. But see, you're a slave to the moon, the stars, the planets, the numbers, the portals, the equinoxes. You're a slave to these things. You celebrate them. And then some of you mix God within that. Do you see the blender going on? Do you see the corruption of your mind going on? Okay, I'm a child of God. I bow to no man or nothing that comes out of a man, especially their mouth. But see, you in the spiritual community, you're somehow ruled and governed. Oh, no, that's not it. Well, no, yes, it is. Yes, it is. You are ruled by numbers. 111, 333, 555. You type them. You type them out all the time. Oh, but it's angel numbers from a book. From a book. I don't remember ever seeing angel numbers mentioned in any of the religions. Sorry, that's just me. But we're coming up on portals and summer solstices and energies because you're ruled by people that tell you how to feel. You are ruled. You want to be ruled. You crave to be ruled instead of having just one God. See, you can't mix Jesus into all these things. You just can't. Where's the hierarchy? You'll say Jesus, but you might not say God. Let's talk about confusion. Oh, but the timelines are shifting. The timelines again are shifting yet again. Just admit you're a slave. You're a slave. Say it out loud. Say it with me. Because I believe in everything that people tell me, I'm a slave. Say it with me. Say it with me. Hey guys. Oh, there's a portal now. Slave. Oh, the timelines are shifting. Slave. Oh, it's the summer solstice and 666 and 777 portals. Slave. The sun is in Capricorn. Slave. Are we getting it yet? Are we getting it yet? The New Age community puts everything above them. The hardcore ones don't say God, but yet they put everything above them. Who, the stars, slave. When are you going to learn? When are you going to learn that you give up your power? You give up everything. I'm a child of God. I give up absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Because He's within me. Oh, look, there's a raven, I must be a new god. Must be a new god. Worship, it's the raven portal. Slave. That's all. Keep listening to these jokers. Oh, geez. You know what? I should get a singing bowl. Then maybe you guys will listen to me. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get a singing bowl. Then maybe you guys will start listening.